Alright, hello grade 5 and 6. Today we're going to talk about your ESL library exercises. We're going to talk about the simple future. So in the simple future, you will have to complete two different activities. The simple future be going to and the simple future stories. So in the simple future be going to, you will have to complete the next activities or tasks. So you have verbs to complete. You need to match the different verbs. So for example, be going to drink. Which one is going to be? Well, I guess this one. Be going to eat and be going to sleep. So make sure that you put the right card on the right spot. Then the same thing is going to happen with the other verbs be, verb C, and verbs D. It's the same activity. So let's have an example for verbs be. If you look at this one, you're going to match to the right sentence. Next, you're going to start by looking at how I'm going to use the simple future going to. So let's have a look at I. So for example, make a simple future sentence. I, for example, I am going to run. So you write, I am going to run. Let's have a look at the next one. What is this one? You already know the other verbs. Tu devrais déjà savoir les autres verbes car tu les as pratiqués. So, I am going to, yes, to read. So, make sure that you complete all the different sentences and I'm going to correct them at home. Please make sure that you complete all the tasks from A until the quiz. It's very important that you finish those. It's supposed to take around 30 minutes. Ça devrait prendre 30 minutes de faire celui-ci et le prochain. The next one, simple future stories. I'm giving you this week just 2 stories. Je te donne 2 histoires. When you click on one, then you're going to start reading by playing this part. So for example, I am going to be very busy this weekend. On Saturday morning, I am going to play a soccer match with my team. Then my family and I are going to watch my sister's dance recital and I'm going to pick up my grandmother on the way. All right, when you're done, you're going to click I'm finished and then you're going to go back to the lesson and do the question set. For the question set, you're going to answer some questions. Make sure that you answer the questions correctly. Assure-toi de répondre aux questions correctement. Je prends les traces. Je regarde les traces que tu fais à la maison. Donc, assure-toi que tu fais toutes les activités chez toi avant lundi prochain. All right? So, this week, the simple future. You're going to work on the simple future. Tu vas travailler dans le futur. Si tu n'as pas fait les autres activités d'avant, je te conseille de les réviser. Celles-ci, cette semaine, vont être extrêmement importantes car je vais les corriger pour la fin de la semaine. All right, bye bye.